Boom! Welcome back, everybody, to The Perfect Bag. My name is Clint, and today we're talking Bounce Design Labs again. I love Bounce Design Labs. Such funky little bags. I'm trying a new camera, by the way. You'll have to let me know what you think of this setup. But this was my first ever Bounce Design Labs bag. You may remember it. I have since cut this thing off and cut the straps off, rather, and turned it into a little tech pouch that I use for carrying tech, cords, gimbals, etc. But love this little pouch. And today I'm introducing you all to this. What is this? This is the DC4, the 4DC. Good God, when will I ever learn how to say that right? Never is the answer. Bounce Design Labs is at it again. So you already know they have a 3 and a 5. So what's missing in the lineup? A 4. See, that's what's missing. This one is a custom order in an ultra pattern. Matches the beautiful Sun Bear as a cool sling. But check it out. Now, there's a lot of differences between this bag and the other two slings, the 3DC and the 5DC. I'm going to make a video that covers off on all of those differences, so everybody will get a chance to see that very, very soon. But today, we're just doing a one-take bag review of the 4DC. So, let's get into it. You know what we do on this channel. We do one-take bag reviews. We're going to do a full exterior walkthrough and then an interior walkthrough of this sling bag. And then you're going to get two things that I love about the bag, two things that I think could be better than an overall conversation about who might this be the perfect bag for. You're getting a little POV review today. All right, POV one-take bag review. Let's do it. Okay, exterior. So first off, you can see, as always with Bounce Design Labs, you're talking about the best materials on the market. Absolutely gorgeous materials. This particular sling is in Ultra. It's got beautiful zippers, very cool zipper pulls, and you'll notice, I promise there's a full comparison coming, but a lot of changes from the front of this bag to the front of the 3. So the 4 and the 3, very different bags, and you'll notice a depth difference too. So a much deeper bag with a lot more organization on the inside, which is crazy because all of their slings already had a ton of organization. So let's check out the back. What do we have on the back here? You can see that we've got a really, really gorgeous strap on this sling as always. And we've got a hidden pocket on the back as usual with Bounce Design Labs, closed with magnets as usual, so you can slip your passport or whatever into that pocket. Very, very nice. And then you can see that the sling itself comes off at 12 and 9. So it's kind of a 9 o'clock setup, which is really great. And what that does is it allows it to ride straight on your chest. So really like the strap setup, really like the strap. Gorgeous material, this super shiny seatbelt material. Gorgeous. Love it. Okay. That's about it on the outside of saying AquaGuard zippers throughout. And you'll find AquaGuard zippers on just about every sling bag from Bounce Design Labs, from YKK. You'll also notice there is attachments here that you can use. Well, I grabbed the wrong one. I'm going to show you this sling in a minute. Hello. But you can hook a regular strap to that, and it's got a twisty, so it won't get all hung up on you. So options for days on these bags. But now let's get into it. I'm excited to show you the interior of this custom, but as with all Bounce Design Lab bags, interior, exterior, funky colors, cool names, just love it. Just love it. So hook and loop on the front. All Bounce Design Labs hook and loop fields seem to be slightly different dimensions. This one is bisected by a zipper for a pocket on the front, but I don't mind. You just know that you're not always going to be able to use all your hook and loop field. All right, so you can open that up, and you've got a little fun pocket here. I've just tossed a car key in there, but you could slip, it's felt lined on this bag, on this particular model. So you could put some sunglasses or anything in there, but it is a bit of a tight squeeze on that front pocket. Second pocket, and you're, whoa, look at that. Whoa. What is this? Wow. Holy shikes. Look at that. Wow. So, well, look at that. It's the Colonel Ichabod mustache comb, the best mustache comb in the entire industry. And it's AirPods. And it's like a Frank Lloyd Wright inspired fabric that I've never seen before. And Vishal and the team from Bounce Design Labs, holy crap. Keep putting this in everything. That could be signature for you. And it is epically good. Epically good. So, little pocket up front here with the AquaGuard zippers. Very useful, very easy to access, quite a bit of space. Now, front pocket, you can see, doesn't open super wide here, but you can see inside you've got pretty useful space. I've got a flashlight here. You've got 3 pockets up front here. Just drop pocket, drop pocket, drop pocket. Then you have a zippered pocket here. I put a spork. Is it still a spork if the spoon is on one side and the fork is on the other? Or do the spoon and the fork have to be the same? I think it's still a spork. All right, then I've got my wallet in here from Blank Canvas Accessories. Cool little wallet. And then down in here, sorry if this is wobbly, but it doesn't hurt to try something new every now and again. Here we go. This is a gaming device and a zippered mesh pocket. So 2 zippered pockets, 3 little drop pockets, and this main compartment here. Wow. Wow. Really, really, really nice. So we'll close that. And now you have another compartment. Unbelievable. And this one, clamshells, which is very unusual on a Sling. Wow. Look at that. Holy crap. So you've got a zippered pocket on this side with mesh. Toss some cords in there. And then you've got an admin pocket on this side, just for admin related stuff. And this one has a zippered pocket as well. And I've just tossed a pen and a notepad in there. And this is removable. So you can toss that in or not toss it in and just have a hook and loop back there. Or, is this holster size for those of you who carry? I have no clue. You'll have to tell me. But, wow, right? Funky little Sling. That's it. That's the interior. That's the exterior. That's pretty dang amazing. Holy cow. Wow. So, pretty awesome stuff. 2 things that I love about this bag: the inner material and the outer material. Materials, as always, from Bounce Design Labs, on point. Vishal, wow. I mean, great, great stuff. Wow. Amazing. I just love it. The Ultra's great. That material is great. And I've got to say, the organization on this bag is dynamite. So lots of pockets and enough depth and space that all the pockets are useful and usable. Really, really like that. So organization, materials, great. Now, do I like this as much or better than the 3DC and the 5DC, this new 4DC? Well, yeah, I kind of like it better than the 3DC, and it depends what you carry for the 5DC. But I really like the full clamshell on the back of this one. It really works well. It's very convenient, super nice. You know what? Let's take a look at another one just so you can kind of see a non-special order unit. This is directly from the website, the Tropical Camo. Same strap setup. You can see in here, this one has orange admin panel. So it's super dynamite and super funky and super colorful. And it's got the same layout. So, you know, that special order may be hard to get, but these ones are easy to get and the same features throughout. So some really, really great stuff. You know, honestly, Very, very cool stuff that Vishal is doing over at Bounce Design Labs. So, wow. Gave you two things that I like, two things that I think could be better. First thing, well, see how this full clamshells? This one right here, I think we could have actually done without the strap or this piece, or just move it down another inch and center it on the bag right here, because it's actually riding towards the front as is. Center it, move it lower, and be able to zip this a little bit further down so that I have a little bit wider access on this pocket here. Because it just, even when fully zipped all the way open, you just don't have as good, I mean, I'm spoiled with this one. Little tighter on this pocket right here. Yeah. And then this front pocket is really good. And the zip pocket down here is good, but I wish it had a little bit more dimension. So this front pocket is really tight right here. And it's a felt line pocket. So I'm thinking that the vision is to put sunglasses in there, but it's just really, really tight. I don't know. So I love how this looks. The pocket is only semi-useful compared to every other pocket on here, and I wish this opened just a little bit more. But you know what town we're in right now? We're in Quibble Town because this is a damn good sling. Like, I think the 4DC is peak Bounce Design Labs right now. Like, it is baller. Great stuff. Who might this be the perfect sling bag for? Well, a lot of you, honestly. It's a great sling bag, but as with all Bounce Design Lab products, small shop, small operation, premium materials, a little bit of money, you're paying up. These are expensive bags compared to some of what else is out there. And they are, it's worth noting, a little heavier than usual because of the magnets. And there are magnets throughout this bag, and comes with little key leash that is magnetic. Admin panels can be magnetic. The whole thing has magnets in it. The back panel, the back pocket here, magnetized. So it's a little heavy compared to other slings in the side range, and it's a little pricey, but you are paying for quality, and you're paying for a really fun bag. Like, these colorways are dynamite. Okay, I think that's it for today on just the 4DC. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'm doing another video that is a full comparison of the 3, 4, and 5 DCs. Okay, that's 3, 4, 5. All of them. Might even throw in a little Dapper satchel. Who knows? But everybody, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Thank you for all the love and support. We will see you next time.